Which vitamin is not found in milk? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin C. C. Vitamin D. Correct answer is B. Vitamin C. Lord Hanuman was a devotee of whom? A. Lord Shiva. B. Lord Vishnu. C. Lord Rama. Correct answer is C. Lord Rama. Which Indian state has the fewest trees? A. Rajasthan. B. Kerala. C. Uttarakhand. Correct answer is A. Rajasthan. Which plant is commonly eaten by humans? A. Neem. B. Sugarcane. C. Banyan. Correct answer is B. Sugarcane. What was the name of Lord Rama's father? A. King Dasharatha. B. King Janaka. C. King Harishchandra. Correct answer is A. King Dasharatha. Who is known as the first citizen of India? A. Prime Minister. B. President. C. Chief Justice. Correct answer is B. President. Which gas can be deadly for humans? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon monoxide. C. Nitrogen. Correct answer is B. Carbon monoxide. Approximately how many teeth does a crocodile have? A. 24. B. 60. C. 80. Correct answer is B. 60. People of which country use chopsticks the most? A. India. B. China. C. Italy. Correct answer is B. China. In which country are the most twins born? A. Japan. B. Nigeria. C. USA. Correct answer is B. Nigeria. According to records, what is the maximum number of children a woman has given birth to? A. 27. B. 69. C. 45. Correct answer is B. 69. On the banks of which river is the Taj Mahal located in India? A. Ganga. B. Yamuna. C. Narmada. Correct answer is B. Yamuna. Which SIM card network is most used in India? A. Jio. B. Airtel. C. Vi. Correct answer is A. Jio. In which country was the world's largest flag made? A. India. B. Saudi Arabia. C. Pakistan. Correct answer is B. Saudi Arabia. Which bird is considered to have the sweetest voice? A. Parrot. B. Cuckoo. C. Pigeon. Correct answer is B. Cuckoo. Where is the largest zoo in India located? A. Delhi. B. Kolkata. C. Mumbai. Correct answer is B. Kolkata. Where is the one-horned rhinoceros found in India? A. Kaziranga. B. Ranthambore. C. Bandhavgarh. Correct answer is A. Kaziranga. When was the electric bulb invented? A. 1879. B. 1854. C. 1901. Correct answer is A. 1879. Which animal is considered auspicious to buy in India? A. Cow. B. Elephant. C. Dog. Correct answer is A. Cow.